In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download dictionary in Google Translate. We will do this by downloading an offline language pack, which gives you quick access to translations even without the internet. First, make sure your Android phone is connected to Wi-Fi. Look at the top status bar of your phone and confirm you see the Wi-Fi icon, not only mobile data. Using Wi-Fi avoids extra data charges and usually gives you a more stable and faster download. Once that is ready, open the Google Translate app. Find the app icon with the multicolored Google logo and the small translate character and tap it. When it opens, you should see two language names at the top and a text box in the middle of the screen. Now, tap the language shown at the bottom of the screen. On most Android phones, this bottom language is the target language, the one you want to translate into. When you tap it, a full list of available languages will slide up, filling most of the screen. From there, scroll through the list and find the language you want. You can move your finger up or down until you see the language name. Some languages also show a short note, such as whether the download size is larger than usual. A useful detail here is that languages that support offline packs usually show a small download icon next to them. Next up, tap the download icon to the right of that language. It looks like a small arrow pointing down. As soon as you tap it, Google Translate prepares the offline language pack. If a language does not show this icon, it simply means offline support is not available yet for that one. After you tap the icon, you may see a prompt on the screen that asks you to confirm the download. Tap Download if prompted. On this prompt, Google sometimes shows the approximate file size, so you know how much space it will use on your device. Confirming here starts the actual transfer of the language files to your phone. Now wait for the download to finish. You might see a progress bar or a spinning circle next to the language name as it downloads. Keep the app open and avoid switching away until the progress completes, especially on a slower Wi-Fi connection. A common beginner mistake is to close the app in the middle, which pauses the download and can leave the language incomplete. At this point, the language will show as downloaded. You should see the word downloaded or a filled check mark right next to that language in the list. This means the offline pack is now stored on your phone, and you can translate to or from this language even when you have no internet at all. You just learned how to download an offline language pack in Google Translate, so it works like a dictionary without the internet. If this helped you get offline translations working, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear how-to guides like this.